Now let's talk about the second most important P in the marketing, which is called as a price. And I'm sure when it comes to price, it really become difficult for us. Either we are charging more, we are charging less, customer will pay, customer will not pay, all those questions which comes to our mind. But let me help you in simplifying this part of pricing in the most simplest form. Now let's first understand what the price actually means. Price is the amount which a customer pays to enjoy your product or services. I repeat, price is the amount which your customer pays to enjoy your product or services. Right? Now that's the most easiest definition for pricing. But you have to also remember that if you are not able to highlight the benefit what your products are giving, at times customer might perceive your price as an expensive price, or at times if you are charging too low and you are not able to still justify the benefits what a customer is giving, customer might perceive your product as a cheap product, right? So not necessary a low cost price product need to be a cheap, or a high end price product need to be a superior. What you have to look is what is the benefit, what is the value addition you are giving to the consumer, and he is able to measure your value addition in comparison to amount what he is paying. And in the last part of this video, I'll give you a formula which will help you to get this benefit statement in a most easiest way. But before that, let's look at what are the different kind of prices you can use. Yes, there are possibility to use different kind of a prices for a same product, and let me explain you one by one. So as we hear, there is no right price, there is no wrong price, there is a price. And as I mentioned, the definition of price is the amount which your customer pays to enjoy your product or services. You can utilize three different kind of a pricing. Now let's look one by one. The first one is market penetration price. Now as the name suggests, if you have to penetrate your product or services into a particular market, this is the price which you have to use. Now what is the market penetration price is? Your product cost might be, let's say, 100 rupees, right? But you feel that initially your customer might not perceive the benefit which you are giving in that 100 rupees. So you lower down your price and get an entry into the market. The classic case is of various products where products which come from different countries. Now not necessary, I don't want to name any country and specifically, but just to relate, so that you are able to relate that a lot of countries, they produce their product in their market and they probably sell at lower cost, and if you go in the same country, you'll find that same product is still they are charging more, right? So it's not that they are giving you an inferior quality product in your country, but they are trying to enter in the market space, and that's the strategy they are using, which is called as a market penetration price. Now you have to look at, if you are entering in a new market where there is already competition is there, and price could be one of the factor to get an entry there. Now go back to the previous video where I have explained you that where are the elements where you can play with the price, which is probably your maturity stage or your decline stage. This is the time where you can play with the price part. So when you are entering into the market which is already mature or which is already at a decline stage, it's always wise to reduce your price, get an entry into the market and capture the need and increase your volume.